video, I'm doing a 3 looks 1 palette using the Juvia's Place Saharan palette, Saharan 2. I do have the Saharan as well. I have like a bunch of Juvia's Place. If there's any other Juvia's Place palettes that you would like to see a 3 looks 1 palette, please let me know. Just comment down below. This one's super fun. It's a little bit darker. And you got this gorgeous blue, which I have on my eyes. It has 3 mattes and the rest shimmer. I think for me, that's the only con. I love it, so it's not necessarily a con. And these 9-pan palettes are so inexpensive. But I would say overall, as far as one that you could use a lot with a lot of different types of looks, you're not going to get a ton of different types of looks except for like pop on the lid. I did come up with a couple, but the shades here are mostly really warm with these pops of the blue. So if that's really what you're looking for, that's great. You have just your base mattes right here. So the base of the look is going to be fairly similar for most looks. Again, if that's what you're into, that's fine. This blue though is gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. I really love this color, which I used. So I used I think I used every color in here maybe except for the red. Oh, it's actually like a red-orange duochrome. That's pretty. I think I did use this. You see how it's just from red to orange. So that really goes nicely with these bottom rows. So I do think this is a great palette. You can often get these on sale or in bundles. And now that they sell them at Ulta, you can use, I'm pretty sure you can use coupons. You can definitely use your points and things. I don't really feel like you can go wrong with any of the Juvia's Place palettes. I just think it's more an issue of your taste, your preference, your skin tone, that sort of thing. So let's get to 3 looks 1 palette with the Juvia's Place Saharan 2. And if you have this and love it, please comment down below. Again, if there's another one you want to see a 3 looks 1 palette, let me know. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye!
Gotta think before I claim that I want you. Your beauty's running through my veins. It's hard to. I don't know if I'm thinking wrong. The thought of you, it's getting stuck in the middle of this long, long road. You and me are filled with joyous pleasure. I like the way you describe passion. It's nothing brighter than love of you, yeah. Now it's time to be clear, yeah. We got a story to share with the world. This is just too. I don't know if I'm thinking wrong. The thought of you, it's getting stuck in the middle of this long, long road. Past all these years, you give me chills. And now it's time to be clear. We got a story to share with the world. This is just to be. We go through all of these adventures. Yeah. You and me are filled with joyous pleasure.